Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that Filecoin broke out different wedges on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that, it also broke out a very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And this was my last video. And now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, the price and is rejected by this long-term resistance of $11.40 that was previously working as a resistance here, and now again it is working as a resistance, and right now the price has broken down this next support of $6.36 that was previously working as a resistance here for several weeks and resistance here as well. And now the next support will be here at $4.60. That is a quite long-term support that had been previously breaking as support here, and support here, and for several weeks a month it had been breaking as support here as well. And at the same time, Filecoin is also retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support, and we will also analyze this support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for FIS, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 28th of March 2024, and you can also mod the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And previously you can see it was moving inside this quite big falling wedge pattern, and after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we broke it out and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern that was smaller than the previous one. And at the same time, it was also moving inside a very massive falling wedge pattern as well. And both falling wedges were formed inside this bigger falling wedge pattern. And finally here, in the month of October 2023, we broke out this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that Filecoin has rallied almost 338%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $11.40 that was previously working as a resistance here. And again, for the past several weeks, it is working as a resistance here as well. Now, recently, we have broken down the support of $6.36, and now we are about to hit the next support of $4.60. That is also another very strong and firm support that had been previously working as support here, resistance here, and support here, and support here. And for several weeks a month, it has been working as a support here as well. And at the same time, Filecoin is also retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. Before this, after the breakout, the price line also tested this previous resistance of the cloud as a support here and geared up. But after this rejection, the price line is again testing the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. Therefore, we have a lot of support levels here. Like we have the support of $4.60. We have the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud, but we also have a lot of resistance levels as well. Like we have this resistance of $6.36 that was previously working as support, and now it can again work as a resistance. And you can see that at the same time, the price line has also broken down the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud that can also work as a resistance for the price line. And after breaking out these two resistance levels, the price line will again need to break out this very massive resistance of $11.40. By the way, from here up till here, that will be a big jump, but still for a very massive move to hit the target for this breakout from this wedge, we will also need to break out this very massive resistance of $11.40. And by the way, the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here. That target that can be at the top of the wedge, that can be between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.